Here we are back again. This is not a forge building video, I know, but I am building one. I am recording one. It is just not this one. So you guys have waited a little bit, so I decided to throw in a knife making video for you. So this is for the same person that I made the previous one for. It was for a Christmas gift a month ago. So I hope you guys enjoy the build. I had a lot of fun doing it, and there was a hiccup in there, but we got over it. So I'll catch you guys in the end. See ya. Yeah, why not? Let's grab this one. Okay, let's see here. Looks better. Well, there you have it. All four sides have been chiseled. I'll cut that slot in to accept the blade, and then I will set that little recess on the inside. I'll get the blade ready. Yeah, we'll take it from there. Ta-da! Here is the blade insert. I'm just trying to normalize it, and I kind of don't want to clamp it in the back here because that's what's going to be inserted into the rail spike. And I don't want to run the risk of that hardening, so I'll be kind of clamping it all over the place except for here because I need to drill the holes. So that's the Seax shape I'm going for. I might bring this back a bit more down this way to get a more shallower angle, but we'll see how it goes. And here we are. Come on. There it is. Okay. So what I'll do next is I'll put a little tack weld here just to keep it at the angle I want it, and so that it stays in place for when I drill my holes to accept the rivets. What I'll do is I'll use one brass pin, and then I will use two stainless steel pins just to make it more secure. Brass is a little soft, so I'm guessing it's a Seax, so it's designed to chop. Not that the customer's going to use this for chopping, because it's just a beautiful EDC, but you never know. I'm hoping I can pull this off. These are two 3/16 inch holes. That's going to be for the stainless steel. I'm going to drill maybe one or maybe two 1/8 inch holes for the brass pins. Okay guys, holes have been drilled. 3/16, 3/16, 1/8, 1/8. Open it up a little bit, and I don't know if you can see on the inside, but there's a bit of a step on both of these. I did that so that when I do rivet this in place, it also acts as another ways of a mechanical means of fastening this to the blade. So, okay, so I'm gonna go cut the pins, and then I'll start peening them over. There it is, freshly peened over this one. As you can see. Ow. there it is. Sorry for all the smoke. Anyway, next on the list, I guess, is to harden the blade. I'm gonna do a quick two-second quench in water, and then throw her in the oil. Wish me luck. I heard a ping. There it is. Oh. Can we have a moment of silence? Yes, I kept it in the water for too long, but look at that grain. That is amazing. Let's see if I can zoom into this. Look at that. That is beautiful. Okay, well, drill the rivets out and put in a new blade, I guess. And boom, just a little bit later we got a new blade. Still need to put the brass parts in. It has been quenched, so I'm just quickly gonna do a dirty tamper, and I'll let you guys stick by while I do it. Give me a sec. Hope you guys can see those temper colors run. Dark blue over here, light straw over here. Okay, just gonna go dunk it in some water. And there it is. Some nice light straw color all the way to the edge. Okay, so right now I am going to buff it up. Looks pretty good so far. This is, I think, medium grit, extremely fine, and then a general purpose one. This is usually the ones that I use mostly in that order. Green one completely last, and then wipe it with a microfiber cloth. So I'll bring you back when I've buffed this up a little more. All right. That's mighty shiny. There it is, guys. I'll do a nice close-up pretty soon. There's still fine scratches, but that's nothing. The blade's gonna scratch anyway as soon as you start using it. This is more for aesthetics and to ward off rust, because it is a high carbon blade, right? Anyway guys, thanks for following along. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and there's the sheath. Just a good old-fashioned leather sheath I hand stitched. Beauty. Help me out by sharing this video, and for the newer people that have not subscribed, hit subscribe. It's going to be somewhere on the screen somewhere. I hope you guys enjoyed this build, and I will catch you on the next build. See ya.